Hey guys, figured I'd do a bus update video since I just finished the headliner. Let's check it out. What I used was Hobby Lobby fabric and Super 90 adhesive. This stuff. I stripped off all the old stuff that was like vinyl wallpaper, and I got it nice and clean, applied the Super 90, made sure that it actually was not wet when you applied it, because if you do that, it doesn't stick as well before you apply the fabric to the headliner. But anyway, just finished it up. It looks great. Some things that I figured out were the old screws were stripped out. So I got slightly larger screws, number 6, and washers from Lowe's. And then I also figured out if you added a thicker fabric, it was kind of tough to get it in this bottom channel here. I just barely made it, but any thicker it probably wouldn't have worked. But in the end, it turned out really good. It was, you know, probably a couple $100 at $21 a yard for the fabric and the glue and everything. But I did it over a couple days, and it's not fully mounted yet because I'm going to actually remove it all to paint the bus really soon. But I did the bottom of the bed, turned out great. And then this crossbar had like a plastic on it. I took that off, and I figured it'd look better if it just blended in like the fabric. All in all, I think anyone could do it. You just gotta have attention to detail and pick a fabric you like. But yeah, turned out pretty sweet. Next for the bus is, as you heard me before, I'm probably gonna paint it real soon and finish off some little odds and ends. Took some wiring up, repair some laminate, and probably replace that. And then I still need to find the little piece for here and then reassemble everything. But it's coming along and should be done, I'd say, by the first of the year. So thanks for watching.